Shout out to CBC no Siema badlalile ntwana
Yeah.
bayilwile. Coach
Sure.
Wadu ekelo gembula ngePirate.
Wenzani?
Coach ekelo gembula ngePirate. Le patch le
Yeah.
yabona le patch le
Yeah.
yabona le patch coach.
Patch enkulu.
You must respect the badge. Ne coach wethu ne Brian sina usibilibila ngisho
Sure.
sino Etienne van Rooyen
Sure.
ne wangathatha Etienne van Rooyen amdlalise emuva athatha usibilibila amdlalise le phambili
Ampushele phambili, yeah.
ampushele le phambili angifresta na Brian like coach uyasicosta igame le bekumele siwine 3-1 le beku game yethu le bekumele siwine 3-1
Kanti yini enza ukuthi ningawini 3-1? Yini enza ukuthi iDurban City ikhiye kanje move?
yazi ngicabangani iDurban City bazile la bayazi ukuthi like iPirate ucoach yethu uyenzana akayenzini so they knew ukuthi our coach yethu uzoyenzani so ngicabanga that is why labafana beDurban City bayenza stop nonsense le move le ubonile uApolice umfukeng batrayile ukushaya amabhola mara amabhola wethu ayale phezulu but anyway he came so ibona le mbombela Brian akuna flopo mapakanyeni ngaphela umoya ilike yethu lesayithatha so wina embombela 3-1
3-1 embombela.
so wina 3-1 embombela
3-1 embombela bafethu nizwile salute. Please don't forget to subscribe. Up the Parks, danko.